Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you how to change the turn signal bulb in a Mazda 3. This will be a simple tutorial for the rear signal bulb in a Mazda 3. Now this is a 2010 Mazda 3, but the same process that I'm going to show you in this video will definitely be able to be applied to pretty much any Mazda 3. They all work in the same way with regards to changing their signal bulbs, whether it's older or newer than this one. So what you want to do is first and foremost locate the bulb that you want to change. So as you can see right here, this is the turn signal right over there. Okay, and you'll notice that it has an amber bulb inside of it. Okay, at least where I live, that's the bulb that you want to use, and we need to gain access to that bulb. Now bear with me because I know it's pretty dark, but I'm going to do my best to show you. What you want to do is you want to remove the panel clips that are sort of holding it in place. So as you can see right over here, this is one of the panel clips. Now you just simply pop out, I'm going to try and bring the camera a little bit closer, you just pop out this little piece right here, and then the whole panel will be able to come out, as you can see right there. So we just want to gain access over here. So I'm just going to simply pull this panel out like that, and then we can sort of pull this out, this little liner right here out as well. Okay, pretty simple, just like that. So now as you can see right there, we've gained access to where the bulbs are. Now what we want to do is we want to remove this bulb, and bear with me, I'm trying to hold it with one hand along with the camera and change the bulb with the other hand, or at least show you how to change it. So to remove this right here, because this is a signal bulb, it corresponds with the one that we just looked at, you want to twist it counterclockwise, and you don't need to twist it like continually, it's just like a little bit of a turn, as you can see right there, and then you can wiggle it out. So that was like not even a quarter of a turn, that was like an eighth of a turn. Then you can take it out. So what we have here is a bulb. Now very simple, easy to change this, okay? All that you got to do, and I'm not going to do this because I can't really hold the camera, but you want to pull this bulb out of this socket. So just wiggle it out nice and slowly. It might take a little while, because if this is the first time you've changed the bulb, it might really be solidified in there. So you want to just wiggle it out, take your time, wiggle it out, use your fingers. You don't want to be using any like tools or anything like that. Just wiggle it out nice and slowly. You can even wrap a cloth or a towel around your fingers if you don't want to touch the bulb, if you're into that kind of stuff. Some people say that it you know, lessens the life of the bulb. Some people say that it doesn't. It doesn't really matter. Just get the bulb out of there, wiggle it out of there, and then all you got to do is push the new bulb in place. It just literally slides into there. So you can wiggle this old one out. Okay, I can't really do it with one hand. It's really difficult. And then you pop the new one in place like that. Then what you want to do is take your bulb, put it back in position. Okay. And then we're going to twist it now clockwise back until you hear that click back in place. So counterclockwise was to remove it. When you want to put it back in place, clockwise, and you hear that click. Okay, that's it. Then what you want to do is take the liner, put the liner back in place. As you can see right there, my clip just flew out. It's somewhere here. I'll be able to find it in just 1 second. Here it is. So if your clip comes out, okay, very easy to put these back in. In order for them to move in and out, they need to be sort of popped out of place. So you can see right there, that piece is popped out. So now that it's popped out of place, I dropped it again. It's hard to do with one hand. Now that that piece is popped out of place, I can just put it back in here. Okay, you want to just squish it back in place, just like that. Okay, oh, there it goes again. Sorry about that. It's they're really easy to work with, but with two hands it's much easier. So make sure that little piece right there is flipped out. Okay, get your clip. I'm gonna make sure it's ready to go in now. Put it back in place, and then all that you gotta do is push that little piece back in, and your clip will be solidified in place. That little piece popping out and in basically allows it to be removed or pushed back in place. And that's basically it. That is how to change the rear turn signal bulb in a Mazda 3. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. That's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.